everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 6th to the 10th of September 2021 on Monday. Kamadonsela faces a harsh judgment from the church ladies saying they don't want to be led by her anymore. Nirupa wakes up and is happy to see her family on Tuesday. The killers will not rest until they have Nirupa's life. Mambani makes a second attempt to kill Nirupa. Buhle, on the other hand, is kidnapped. Will there ever be peace on Imbewu on Wednesday? Buhle is on cloud 9 after meeting Zenzele, her first love, who saves him. Phakade moves Kamadonsela out of the house after he makes love to Sebenzile on Thursday. Buhle is blinded by love after she spends the night with Zenzele. Zenzele has got her right where he wants her. Nirupa reveals her secrets about the Maphumulos on Friday. When Menzi learns that a living Maphumulo son is in town, he's suspicious about Nirupa's shooting PQ'd. What will Menzi do? Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.